Okay, should I put this in
Yeah.
for the video?
See, there's a hole in the microwave.
Okay.
Okay. Well, this looks safe distance. Okay, wait, no, I need to. Wait.
Start it off.
Yeah. Is this far enough? I should probably go a little bit more far if you just could see what's going on. I need to hold the phone sturdy so I won't drop it. Okay. So you can explain while we're waiting, I guess. What is
Okay,
this?
we're heating some water that will push the cork out and up the tube, which keeps the microwaves from getting off the hole. And this is a little demo of the power of steam and microwaves to launch a rocket hopefully into orbit someday.
Yeah. Well, it's so simple with the microwave to do this, so
Actually,
it
the
looks pretty
rocket
promising.
can also just use water. It doesn't have to use dangerous materials like liquid hydrogen, which is easy to explode, and it takes a very big tank because the density is only 0.07 to water's 1. Okay, there we've now below 1 minute. The last time it popped off just somewhat before it got to 2.
Hmm. Yeah. And I
Anyway,
was holding a cup of coffee and I spilled some. Surprised. Okay.
oh, it didn't go very far,
Oh,
but it popped.
okay.